How to enable or disable voice commands to take pictures in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on quick controls button. After that, tap on the settings icon. Now in here, we then scroll down and then tap on shooting methods. After that, tap on voice commands. Tap on the voice commands toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once it is switched on, then you can say things like smile, cheese, capture, or shoot to take a picture. So let's go back to your camera and test it out. Capture, 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 smile, cheese, cheese, capture. And that's it. So you can see here we have taken several pictures by using voice command. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.